What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Just felt like giving you guys a quick 360 of this aisle. And don't forget, we have super nice glow-in-the-dark color changing and metallic, metallic glues, all by Elmer's here at Dollar Tree. But I just found some cute things, you guys, so you know I had to show you. We have these cute new pencil pouches. This one says Chuggy and this one says Vibes. We also have these little metallic pouches. So many new items over here. I really love these cute little retractable erasers. So it comes with one and then there's two refills, but we also have blue, we have gray, and we have this really pretty bright green. And then we have some poster markers. We have, I think, red and white. We have green and blue, and we have purple and pink. Yeah, you guys, lots of new items. And then these little marble trays are back. And the quality is super, super nice. They're calling them desk organizers. Those are back once again. And then we have some tin little pen and pencil like holders, little boxes. Okay, what do we have? We have, you are awesome. You are awesome. Awesome. We have Sharkies. And what else? Oh, double-ended colored pencils. Those are new. Let's see what else we can find. If you guys missed my live, click right here. I found so many cute new items, new box pens, new hand soaps, new hand creams, new like little silicone straws with the cleaner, cute little pouches, all sorts of cute things. Ooh, look you guys, it's a money counterfeit pen. Do you need one of these in your life? If you need a money counterfeit pen, if you're dealing with lots of cash, if you're dealing with lots of big bills, come right here to Dollar Tree and get your money counterfeit pen for $1.25. I mean, why not? Let's head down this aisle over here. Let's see what we can find new down the craft aisle. Behind me, we have our huge and beautiful collection of yarn, including the pretty chenille yarns, white chenille, gray, black, this really pretty aqua. Love this. And look at this one. Ooh, pretty, 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 pretty. Super pretty colors. And you get 65 yards. 65 yards. Tons of the Cricut vinyl paper, dupe paper. This is like a pretty shiny blue. We have this like bluish purple. We have a faux leather. So many of these are new. We have this kind of shimmery, like grayish brown, floral, pink. We have this one like a buffalo check. We have purple, silver. So if crafting is your thing, if you need these materials, I know you guys already know they're here because crafters are so resourceful. This one is, it looks kind of like a mat, kind of. I mean, we just have so many. I mean, this store is really stocked up. Like if this was my thing, I would be loving that this is here. 12 inches by 48 inches. Yep, that's what we get. We have a faux navy leather, this sort of reddish brown. Yeah, you guys, lots to choose from. These are new. This is vase filler. We only get 20 grams though. And these are wood curl roses. Wood curl roses. Looks like we have some new sands. Ooh, new sand. This would be pretty for my second channel. I think I want to get some of this. And then this one as well. I think I really like this one though. That one's super pretty. Yeah, I like those colors. I love doing sand pours over gem chalk. Super pretty. And then we have some new little bottles up here. They're super cute. Bottles, candle holders. Lots of new items. The potpourri, multiple varieties. We have eucalyptus, lavender fields. We have lemon zest and thyme. I really like how they decorated the bag with the flower in the front. We have these pretty little bottles. Yeah, you guys, super cute. Oh, this one is so cute. Got the little jute twine. And then this is just burlap. Burlap crafting fabric. Like, let's look at them. Super cute. Yep. And then this store has just so many ribbons. I know I showed these in another video. I don't think we have any other new ones since I was here last. But thanks to the person that told me that these are actually, well, this is a glitter ribbon, but I think one of them that I showed is actually a tape. No, this is glitter ribbon as well. She was telling me that some of them were actually glitter tapes. Ooh, look at these. These are all new. These are some classy little ribbon choices. They're calling them stitch ribbons, and you get 3 yards. I just like the colors. I like the stitch down the middle. These are also new this week. Kind of a nice texture. I think these are new. These round beads are new. And we have lots of craft fabric. It's all brand new, at least new to my store. Craft scrapers. This is a new set, the wood beads. These are also new, the oval wood beads. And the assorted 125 in a bag. Nice. Well, you guys, I think that's it for this video. I feel like I just got here. I mean, I did a live and then I went straight to this video, but yeah, you guys, I had fun filming this for you guys and shopping with you guys. So come along to my very next video. We have a lot more to look at. I can't wait to see what else is new for the week. So definitely come back and please hit that little button and subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet. But all right, you guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.